I me know it. Hunting season, see them have popcorn pan 5 charge there. Anyway, they are try do any little good by themselves. I feed them time now, you have to humble now. Or else. Well, you know, if you go shoot me pan the gallows. Cause me just now go humble now. Me officially mad. When you put up me, wow, me mad. Alright, see me mad there now. Blood clot. See me there. You see me? This will stop now. This will stop now. The families them want to do the right thing and want to see things work out in an amicable must get the chance. This wrong and strong thing must cut out. There's no way so much people in this country continue to do so much wrongs and still walk around with them head high in the sky because everybody afraid of them. Afraid of who? Are the Almighty Creator alone me fear, not even afraid of. Are the Almighty Creator alone me humble to. Me never got no of your money yet. Me never ask no devil for no help yet. Are the Almighty Creator, what me say? Are the Almighty Creator alone me ball to. That's why me now have to watch when no Eden say or feel about me. Because me know how the Almighty feel about me. So the wrongest thing you do, the Mona Barrett. Alicia Lawson, the Mona Barrett mother, call her the for me and tell her say the wrongest thing. Because me I go tell the world everything we're up to. Remember that today. And then the world can decide who right from who wrong. The world is my courthouse. What only did they when me turn to the world? A long time me turn to the world. What only did they? The world are my judge. Below the Almighty Creator. You see me? My daughter, they are rehearse to go do a show, a rebel salute, and me they are train around a show you want, because them so jealous and bad mind and corrupted and jealous of me youth, because me youth talented. Me youth talented and have 2 superstar parents, so that's them biggest problem with my daughter. My daughter can really sing. She talented, and after all what them do her, she still hold up her head and still a fight like her mother, because she have her mother blood in her. You see me? Hold on, they come reach a station, you know, me I flip around the camera back.
Blessed. Blessed, blessed.
Good afternoon.
So you're a musician, eh?
Say hi to my fans, babes.
Your daughter?
Yeah, my daughter.
Come to her.
Corruption. Corruption happened to her. You understand what I say? Corruption, we not take no more. Some sibling. Inside, me watch a thing all the while. You see me? We need way more of that in a society. People just not afraid to speak that kind of truth there when it's necessary and not care what come with it. And that me I go through right now. Because I not choose to give all of my own to the devil. You see me? So because we fully say me not take no more now that at the next step. So any step them go, all the gallows me ready for right now, may I tell you. When people supposed to think about unite and look how much bloodshed 2023 in Jamaica. You want to tell me so we can't come up with a consensus, we can have people that work out them things really and truly amicable without that bitterness that we keep layered. What kind of society? Who are build a society here really?
I mean,
and you have big giant like Tony Rebel them if you stand up and be a woman's strength, all of them have. I want to you. Well, me a one woman with my balls them in my back pocket. So them buck up in a one little wall there,
Yes,
so.
and apparently she's supposed to, I don't know, I'm going to court.
Deterioration real.
I don't know. She just come to the house, she never come to the car.
She come out of the car and then they give explanation as to why she bring police come on me yard. Me never indulge in no farmer.
Alright, mommy, can I just allow us?
Okay.
I good at this year, me dead. You see it.
Okay. Okay.
It's my stepdaughter. When me raise. She in Tanzania in a crib from weeks old. Me put everything aside and raise them like out of my home then come from.
Is the police abusing any shit there for?
Alright, I will call you back, Daddy.
Oh, this prison charge?
I don't know, I signed up, I filled out some forms that we had to ask that I'm going to ask the question and some like, no, but like,
She on the phone with her father.
like where I live and like your name and mommy name and everything.
Yo. Yeah man, for his father's birthday. Good day.
Okay. Yes, Daddy.
Them Bex through me defend the dread over the years. All of the dread wrongs me defend the dread. Because my sister the dread I try to do the right thing no matter what. But they don't like that because them a watch things.
When I come and she was in the car, I was around her and the three police were in the car. Police, like, when I been on a van, and then, like, she sat, like, the lady sat in between us.
Tell him say if you don't get bail, you sleep at jail tonight.
Oh, and if I don't get, okay, I don't know that. If I don't get bail, I'm sleeping there. So, yeah.
Where are you now?
Alright, this is sweet. Make sure you don't have baby will come from.
Okay.
We don't have money for the boy. Oh, we have my thing. I'm sure we have any money right now to kill her.
At the society work on today.
Somebody a enjoy it, man. Somebody a enjoy the deterioration that will take place in Jamaica. Somebody a enjoy.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. You get intro?
I'm here about the alien that was stolen this morning.
You're the owner?
Yeah.
Where was this stolen from?
Caan guy.
Come here earlier today. Yes. They made see him there.
Yeah, after the receipt.
Yes, sir. Where was it, sir?
Today, then the team will be good for him. Today, the team will be good for him, that's all.
Repeat?
Today, the team will be good for him.
Yeah, this morning.
This
Early
morning.
this morning.
Son of process it. What do you do?
What's the receipt?
Stolen or recover?
Yeah.
Alright. And it's not in here. That's your face. Marso. Marso Beach.
Come on.
Trying to get to the surgery.
Any tattoos?
Brian, I'm still coming.
Which one can get vegetarian? No meat. One can get vegetarian.
You know, say you want like vegan or
Just straight vegan. So.
well, you have this place named Living Food and Juices out. You know, where a food place is upon 7th Avenue, there, sir. South Avenue. So where you have the True Value place that right and the food stall there were there for years now. Right on the same plaza there where the Across from
If I see true value, the pan, we can't find it.
Yeah. So them, that's how you're not gonna lose if you go this. And then you have a next one in a marketplace named Me Hungry, hold some food. Them not do nothing pan stove, nothing. I just see rich people that will want KFC and so, and them eat there. Nothing pan stove where you can get pizza, where you enjoy and love how it tastes, where the base of it is like sunflower seed and them kind of seed. Strictly, and you start feel the difference in your body from you start eating it. You know what I mean?
You know, so we look on one journey and only thing, nothing from animal.
Yeah, man, that can't help. A vegan work, man.
Nothing from animal. So like pumpkin,
Yeah.
without starfish.
Yeah. Your body will just dance around for that, man. Trust me.
Hello? Yo.
Yeah, IG, I saw it come down, you know. It's a before and after, you see me? So right now, we calm and assertive through all storms, you see me?
Alright.
Jamaica, we born and grow in a real life, you see me? Yeah, man, we come out of the ancient original, them we take it all and hold it and don't drink soup when it's hot. You see me? I mean, I said this again. Really and truly, me not throw Mr. Rebel under the bus fully. But in women and children, them need to sharpen up and start. Get up the children, them when give them. You see me? These baby fathers must take control of them baby mothers so that they can take control of their children. Seeing? You this can't continue anymore, man. So what is the next procedure now after this?
This is our procedure.
Someone to deal with.
So how the bail thing go?
Alright, so you need a...
So me can bail her as her mother?
You can.
Okay.
So you need a utility bill in your name, a recent one.
I never walk with a utility bill. I walk with just my ID.
You have any on your phone?
No. I don't move online yet. Me like analog line same way.
You need a utility bill. So you probably have to go on.
So my daughter have to go sit down or yo, call your daddy with a utility bill for come bail you, know, cause right now you know want me announce, you know.
Oh, you have finished it. No, you utility bill for proof of address? Yeah, proof of address, right.
So you can't use any like national ID, voter's ID.
No, we need the ID, but we still need a utility.
No, but you know some places think that's proof of address, because don't come here and get an ID.
No, not this station.
So call who you know we have a building at their name, because it dread need for see me. Cause me not left here so. Yeah, but that.
Okay, after the utility bill, what kind of thing?
What's that? You will see the procedure from there.
What can I use that you have there?
Yo, where your father stay a while ago? Him say him coming?
It sound like that, you never say that, but it sound like it was coming.
Alright, so we
Yeah, he need to come bail you.
in Africa.
Yes, Lord.
Alright, so your daughter should be charged for malicious injury to property.
Mm-hmm.
Then she will have destroyed her sister's passport.
Yeah. So what about self-defense? So them things they can't happen with a self-defense. Yeah, so because of a snap. What you call a snap reaction. Then the law no fear then. The law no fear if I say that case. A self-defense because my daughter no stay so. She was provoked. She was provoked. She was provoked.
But this thing doesn't give her the right to build
Yeah, government right now, the government, more you not know that word.
Worse container USB.
Yeah.
No, that one next page right now on page one, never take it. Just vegetable base.
Thank you very much. Alicia last now your daughter.
Oh yeah, so let us have right now. Alright.
True, my daughter no liar like them. She talk the truth already, man. Revengeful and bitter. Damn. God.
Jacqueline Wilson. Jacqueline Wilson is the owner. She's a for Elderman in Spanish. Take it off you.
That's a bit off in your area, right? Yeah, you know.
One thing I like about my page, I keep it democratic. So even the enemy them on it can have a say in the conversation. I know I said, I not found no comments, but they no fear. But give thanks to the majority where I said the right thing. Because I know me a Queen of Africa number one enemy, you know, so I know that prefer if it a play out one different way. But the truth, I just the truth, man. I know all of we can manage pressure the same way. I know all of we can. When you don't know the whole truth and nothing but the truth, then you can form a full opinion about this whole situation, yeah. But we respect everyone's views and opinions, man. Because the world is supposed to remain democratic for a reason. If you notice, we not condone wrong, so me there with her, though. Yeah, that you have to pay attention to you. We are chat about the passport, never do her nothing. Because you're glad. I'm glad you glad, you know. Last laugh, best, man.
What kind of assignment?
The man, when did you say, bro?
You know, I got the man, what's up with my friend?
Okay.
Alright, brother.
First of all, I'm trying to tell you.
That one live at 63 Fairfax Road, Everdale. So true, I don't know police, nothing about police arresting me. I walk with no ID, so I get somebody enough bring one come and deal with our thing for me. Because we are not wrong door. You see me?
So,
Go, let me know, guys.
the church will come in, huh?
Yeah, man, the enemy, them a go fly up, man, because them swear say this year me a go down, you know, because remember say them set up go down around me, but we go up, man, we rise up in the name of the Almighty Creator, because we not do no wrongs about you, love alone we are trying to spread, that's why they not rate we. So we did know that I know, so we will always continue to do the right thing, no matter how hard the Eden bite. Jamaican woman are the strongest, and we go through the most. I mean, I talk any Jamaican, they have a particular type. Yeah.
Alright, cool.
We are one of them.
Mr. Ifria.
Yes, love.
If you're unalive, you're going to be unalive in the police.
Only LA can do that.
Yeah, you can go to those.
Only LA can do that.
Huh?
I'll get the maroon ID then, like only LA can do that, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let me tell you something, man. Country are the best country on the face of the earth. My country, Jamaica, yeah. And I definitely walk the last walk, boy, yeah. And yeah, we don't fear no enemy. See? No enemy we not fear. We just say good to stop suffer for bad now. Good to stop suffer for evil. Yeah, man, good to stop. Yeah. Tell the emperor say me I come for the abeng. Tell L.A. Lewis, tag him and tell him say me I come for the abeng him for have it ready when me reach. Yeah, good over evil time, you know. We not take no more chat from no evil boy. Yeah. See me? I have you down under no bandage. You beat with the wrong and still a practice how to do it. Same way. Says who? No depend